Hello, good day to you, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a channel where you learn different tools on how you can enhance yourself. And not only that, today we'll be looking at the Excel interface and subsequent videos we are going to be diving into Excel, but today we are going to look at the Excel interface. As you can see right before us is a data set of a student performing factor. You understand? These are the old surface as you can see. So we are going to know, and one thing first you need to understand that come to your file and create a new blank sheet. But for the purpose of this class, I'm not going through that. We want to create a new blank sheet. What we just have to do, which is a new book, we just have to do Control N. As you can see, this is it. This is a new workbook, and inside the workbook we have a sheet. As you can see, by default we have sheet one for this work and book. If you click this sign plus with my mouse, is it will go take you to another sheet, as you can see. And then this is actually the file, the first where you can save this worksheet if you want to print, share, and some other options that are here. Also create new orders and different templates, already made template for Excel. And then we have, after the file, we have the home tab, which is where we do some of the stuff, the home tab. There you can see our cut, also our paste, format, and the likes. You see this Bibo Danny, brother boss Danny. This is customized. Also, this new tab is also customized. Subsequent video, we are going to look on how you can actually customize your tab, create new tab. And you see, this is access to your workbook now. You change it, this place will change automatically. When you change, if you want to save this file, take for example, I want to actually save it. Let's say, to save it to my Pixie, to my contact, Smith, workbook, workbook. Let me change them. Change me for my workbook. As you can see, the name have changed. You understand? Then let's go back to this particular. It's take for example, this is it. We'll be looking at more a lot of things here. If I want to actually create a table, and one thing you need to understand that this is a column. The A, B, C is a column, and also here is row. You understand? To another file, to another workbook entirely. But we want to still work with it here in this particular workbook. What we just need to do is to here and click move, see to the end, then create a copy, and this, as you can see. And then I want to actually, the way this one is, the way this particular one is, I want to make this one to be like this. So we are just working, we'll be looking at various, this particular portion for me is a quick access toolbar. You understand? We have quick access toolbar. As I said earlier before, you can add and you can also remove. Why do all of this? And all of the portion here are called the ribbon. You understand? I call the ribbon. And then where this A1, this is column. You understand? This is column. And also this is row, which is we have a particular data we have seen before, just like the way this one is. You understand? For us to create a table, we can actually do that our using our ribbon here. Are you getting it? But if we also want to actually create this particular table, we can use Control T once by going through the other hat. We can actually use it Control T to actually what do that. Can create a table here. You understand? You see this table, Control T, as you can see, but you're not going through that hat, just Control T. As you can see, press the Control T, it will come, this will pop up. My table has an header, it's already enlightened. But if it's not enlightened, you actually have to click it. Are you getting it? And press OK. It will, as you can see, we actually create a table. And can sort, from A to Z, but we're not doing that in this particular video. What I want to do, I can actually freeze some parts. You can see when you move this, you see this is moving. Are you getting it? But I want to freeze a particular part, a row and a column. I'll just have to come here. You understand? Then go to our view. Are you getting it? You see freeze panel. I'll click on freeze. When I click on freeze, you see when I start to move this, it will not move again. This, the whole of this place where it is. Are you seeing it? Here we are you seeing it? This one is not moving. Are you seeing it? But why? Because I set my custom here from here to there, it's not moving. Alright. Thanks for actually watching.